Hello, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I am going to teach you the special loop for processing the array that is called the Foreach loop. So in this lecture I'll be teaching you how you can actually process your array with the help of Foreach loop. I have created one folder named array inside the www directory. Currently I'm working in PHP. So what we do, we create one file with the extension .php array.php, and we open this with the help of notepad. So what we do here, PHP, first of all we need one array. So we create a array of students. $students is equals to array. Now I give some values to this array, but I'm using this array as the indexed array. So we do not know what particular value belongs to what. So for example, we say that Ali, Mehman, and 2022. So this is one simple array which contains the details of students. Currently we have one student, so now we actually process this array with the help of Foreach loop. Let us comment this: create one array of students. Now use Foreach loop to process array. Alright, so for each first of all we have the variable that is actually $students. Now we use as and $std. Let us print this echo $std dot break. Let us execute this. We have localhost and the folder is array, and inside array is array.php. So you can see that the values have been printed: Ali, Mehman, and 2022. Okay, so currently this actually array is indexed array by default. If you want to print the index, then what you will do, you will apply the key $key and $std. Here we print the key as well to actually print the index of each element. $key dot, we give a space and dot. Now you can see that on 0 index Ali is actually stored, on 1 index Mehman, and on 2 index is 2022. Now we actually want to change this. Instead of indexed array, we want to use the associative array. So we want to assign the keys to this array. So what we will do, we will do the like we say that the Ali is actually is the first name, and then this is actually is the last name, and the year. Now let us execute this. Now you can see that first name is Ali, last name Mehman, and year is 2022. So in this way you can actually process the array, either the indexed array or the associative array. So this is pretty simple. Hope you have enjoyed this lecture. Thank you so much.